In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get SeatGeeks promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead and search in SeatGeeks promo code, and then you're gonna click on the first website, Time Magazine. So once you're on the website, on the left hand side, you're gonna see the logo of the company. So that's the logo right there. And on the right hand side, you're gonna see coupon codes. So the first one is $20 off SeatGeek promo code. So you can just click on show coupon. You're gonna wait for it, and the coupon is take 20. So now all you have to do is click on copy, right click and open the website by clicking on this button. And when you're here, you can choose whatever you want, and you can use this code take 20 at checkout for getting a $20 off. Similarly, there are other promo codes as well. So for example, $10 off SeatGeek promo code, you can click on that, and savings 10 is the code, so it's gonna follow the same process. Click on the button and use this code at checkout. Alright, now you can go ahead and see if any other promo codes attract you, but now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to Los Angeles Times, and here the first one is an exclusive code, and it is a $10 off, and that's the code. Okay, so this is the same one, savings 10. Let's see a few more. Another save $10. Okay, so this is the same one. Let's see if anything. Okay, $5 discount. The code is take 5. You can go ahead, copy, click on this, visit the website and use that at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.